Hey people, I'm here with a video. Today we're just going to be looking into the first tropical storm in the Pacific. It is unusually late in the Pacific, or late for the first tropical storm, but first tropical storm is Alvin, or it's either pronounced Alvin or Alvin. I'm not 100% sure about that, but we're going to be also taking a quick look into the severe weather, and yes, but currently this is the satellite imagery. You can out here on the Pacific, you can see clearly the tropical storm. It is right here. You can see the rotation in this area. You can see it. It's not really organized. It does not have an eye or anything with it yet, or it does not have an eye. But you can see the rotation. It stands out if you look out into the water. This does stand out. But we have this is the cone. And I like that. I never realized that the National Hurricane Center did this kind of stuff, I guess, but you can see this is our cone. You can see it's forecasted to stay a tropical storm until 12 p.m. Friday, and then by 12 p.m. Saturday, it's forecasted to be a depression. But so it's going to stay a storm for about the next 2 to 3 days. It's going to stay a storm, but then it's predicted to die off Saturday afternoon into a depression, and from there on, we'll have to look into it. This could possibly go into a hurricane, but is not forecasted by the National Hurricane Center. I think its peak wind speeds may be up to 60 miles per hour, I think, is my forecast. I never really looked into this, but that's my short forecast. But first of all, everybody, I'm kind of sad because that video I made yesterday took me an hour and a half because the editing software took me forever. Well, it took 30 minutes to edit, and I didn't know how to use it. So that video took me an hour and a half, and I got 2 views. But I think I may have gotten 5 by now. But in total, it hasn't even been viewed for in 2 minutes, and that kind of makes me sad because I edited that actually. But today I'm gonna edit this video, and I hope it gets more views. But let's get back to the topic. But this is the cone. We can see wind speed probabilities. This is for tropical storm wind speed probability. Yes, it's tropical storm force winds. You can see we have an area of here bright orange, which means 60 to 70% chance of tropical storm force winds in this bright orange area. But also we have a little small notch of red, which means right there. You can see it. That little area is I just blocked it with a pen. You can see 70 to 80% chance of tropical storm force winds right there in that area. But this goes to 12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Monday, July 1st. So you can see it's likely to die out as it goes farther towards this way. You can see there's only a 5 to 10% chance of these areas over here seeing it. But it looks like the highest chance will be about latitudes, maybe about 115 west and then 15 north. I don't really know how to use latitudes that good, but that is the tropical storm wind force probabilities. 50 knot wind speed probabilities, which is about 57 or 58 miles per hour. 58 miles per hour. You can see we have an area of 20 to 30 in the center right here in this area, but it's 58 miles per hour, so there could likely be some 60 mile per hour winds with this in some areas. And we have no hurricanes, so we don't even need to show that, but we can show wind history also. This is the wind history from advisories 1 through 5. And right now, I think we are, if I check out the cone, I'm sorry everybody, I'm just checking out the cone. Right now, as of the 3 p.m. advisory, it has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, and this is advisory 5. So if we go back to wind history, this is from advisory 1 through 5 for this. You can see we've got a small, narrow area of tropical storm force winds right here in this orange region. Really can't miss it, but arrival time of tropical storm force winds. You can see this storm's not really affecting land whatsoever. Storm's not affecting land, but almost. This is earliest reasonable. This is most likely Friday at 8 a.m. is right there. We see most likely Friday at 8 a.m. is that line right there. And then we can also add 5-day wind speed probabilities. Then you can see this. most likely. So I like the National Hurricane Center. They're doing something pretty interesting. But now we're going to switch over to the severe weather topic because we have a pretty big chance for severe weather tomorrow. But yes, this is tomorrow's outlook. You can see we have an area of enhanced, and this is for day 2, so this could get upgraded to moderate. But you see we have an area of enhanced and only in Montana. And then we have an area of slight surrounding that and going through Montana to western North Dakota. And then we have one in southwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and northwestern Illinois. We have another area of slight. But this is day 2, so you can see we have a 30% chance with a hatched area, which means significant severe, in the enhanced area. So this could possibly get updated to a moderate risk. And if it does get updated to a moderate risk, then I might be doing a live stream tomorrow. But please leave a comment down below if you're watching this. Please leave a comment to tell me if you would like to see more live streams or if you would like to see more just normal video updates. Like I can do like 3 on a big severe weather day, maybe 5 or 3 actual good weather updates every day in the summer, especially in summer break, because like right now. But I can do like 3 severe weather updates every day. In like big days, or please tell me if you'd like to see more live streams or the weather updates on just normal videos. But we have the enhanced risk tomorrow for Great Falls, Montana, Helena, Montana, Havre, Montana, and Lewistown, Montana. This is a pretty far western area of enhanced. But we also have a day 3 outlook. We have a slight risk in parts of North Dakota and Montana, and we have our other area which is over here, and it has a marginal risk going on from New York to Iowa. But that is going to wrap up this video. Please leave a comment down below if you want to. Just ask any question. I mean, I love answering comments, but I will be posting tomorrow, and bye.